Okay, I did my project over negative and positive reinforcement contingencies. So first is negative reinforcement. According to the text, a negative reinforcement contingency is one in which the occurrence of a response produces the removal, termination, reduction, or postponement of a stimulus, which leads to an increase in the future occurrence of that response. That is from Cooper, Heron, and Heward. An example of negative reinforcement would be if I didn't empty the dishwasher, I would lose my TV time at night. The response my parent wants to increase is me emptying the dishwasher. So if I fail to do that, I lose something, being TV time at night. It will then result in me emptying the dishwasher so I can keep my TV time. As a kid, I used to fall asleep with the TV on, so like if I got in trouble or something like that, I would lose it at night, and that would like pierce my soul. So effective as a kid for me. Next is positive reinforcement. According to an article on Very Well Mind, positive reinforcement involves the addition of a reinforcing stimulus following a behavior that makes it more likely that the behavior will occur again in the future. When a favorable outcome, event, or reward occurs after an action, that particular response or behavior will be strengthened. And here's an example of positive reinforcement with my new puppy.
Okay, Dr. Bundy and class. This is my little buddy Ransom. He's in school. And then this is Nina, in case you hear her hacking, but it's not about Nina. Okay, Ransom, do you want a treat? You may hear Nina too, but just follow it. Okay, so me asking him if he wants a treat, that's a cue. He sees the treats, automatically sits down. Sorry, there's dog food on the floor. Don't pay attention to it. See it, good boy. Yeah. Okay, so now every single time he sits, he'll get a treat. Continuous reinforcement. So wait for him to chew that one up. They're little, but he's a little guy, so he's only 6 months old. He don't want one. Sit.
She's bad.
Ransom,
she just
sit.
does what she wants at this age.
Sit. Good boy. Yeah. So, continuous reinforcement, positive reinforcement through praise and giving the treats. He's mostly water motivated, but if he started drinking water, I wouldn't be able to get him to stop. So, there's little Ransom. Sit. And Nina.
She's a bad dog, I'm telling you. Old and set in her ways, and yeah. But here are my sources, so thanks for coming to my little TED Talk on positive and negative reinforcement.